Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a very important topic for permanent residents, those who are trapped outside Canada and do not have a valid permanent resident card to travel back to Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, if you're outside Canada and you're a permanent resident, you need a valid permanent resident card or a PRTD to travel, because your expired PR card is not going to let you in. And if you have a foreign passport, that also may not work. So how are you going to enter as a permanent resident? You need to uh, apply for PRTD, because permanent resident card extension or renewal you can do only from Canada. So how you can do in this situation? Well, the process is same. Like if the visa application center is open where you are living, you can go there with your application package. You can call them, schedule an appointment and submit your application, and once it is granted, you can come back to Canada. You can board a flight. But nowadays, in this COVID era, the biggest concern many people have is like the visa application centers are not open at many countries around the world. So how are they gonna manage? So this is here. If you can see the link here, they have given like if your visa application is closed due to COVID-19, how to apply. So if you click on the link and go down below, you see if your VSC is closed, you can submit your PRTT application by email. So first complete the application, make electronic copies of required documents, complete and scan the application for permits and travel document form, pay your fee, get a copy of your receipt. If you have it, get a copy of your confirmed flight ticket or the itinerary of your travel to Canada. Your copy should clearly show, and send an email. You can see that they have mentioned ircc.covidprtd. So this email address they have created for permanent resident travel document application during this COVID era. And also they have specified how to write the subject line and what are the things you need to include. So this is gonna help you out, because like if you're outside Canada and your PRTD and you want to apply for PRTD and the visa application center close to you is not working, then you have to follow this way. And but if your visa application center is working, you can call them and book your appointment and proceed from there. So that's how simple it is guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.